So I've just received my Laserpecker and I thought we would unbox this together. So I've just received this now. This is like, it's nearly 7:30 at night. So I'm just going to unbox it tonight and then we'll come back tomorrow and we'll have a go at actually lasering tomorrow. So let me get this open. So as soon as you open it, inside we've got the instruction book, warranty book, something like that. And this is the Laserpecker 2. So we've got that box, and then I got the I think it was the super pack, so it comes with the supporting track as extra. But what we'll do is we'll get into this. So here it is, the Laserpecker 2. That's what we're going to get. It's a super fast handheld laser engraver and a cutter. So I never got the pack that comes with the bag, but straight away you pull this out. We've got some tools in there, and we've got the ruler, and then we've got the base plate, and we'll set all this up properly tomorrow. That's the operation manual. So the other one must have been instructions, warranty. So in this part of the box, got some cables, and we've got the safety goggles. We've got all the USB cables, so figure out how to do that. Then we get in here a bit of thin plywood and dog tags. That'll be good to practice on before we use actual other products. This looks like it's the power cable. Yeah, let me check, they did send me, oh, that's half of the power cable. Because I requested a UK plug, so that's half of it. In here, oh there we go, I've got my UK plug, and then this is the protective case, or when you're lasering, or you can, when you do it by handheld, you attach this, and that will attach to this bad boy. So this is the engraver. There's the bits underneath, your power light, your buttons there. That's just protecting the handle. So that will go onto a track, which is here. This is if you want it on the track, which the other plate was for. And that will go on, and then you engrave. Or this is one that you can do it, you attach that somehow, and then you do it by hand. So we're going to get this set up tomorrow. I'm going to read the instructions, and tomorrow daytime we're going to set this up all ready, and we're going to test some engraving. So I'm going to just open this up. So this supporting track, so if you want to engrave on like a cylinder sort of item, and this track will rotate it to engrave. So it's just an add-on item for the engraving tool. I'm just going to get it out of the box to see what it's like. More cables, some elastic, and more cables there. Some brackets. I have to figure all this out. And there it is. It looks like really good quality sort of material, and there's a cylinder track. So that would sit on the bottom of the engraving plate, and I believe, yeah, these are also the magnetic feet there. You can put this on And with these, that's how you can do like large items and like pull the engraver across. So that's what those feet are for. But we'll keep that safe, put that back in the box. I'll see you guys in a second. So here is everything out of the box. Now it's time to assemble this machine and let's get started. So in the kit we had the little screws and nut bagged up. You get your stand and the plate. There's the grip. We're going to screw, there's a groove there, we're going to screw that on onto there. Next up, we've got the actual engraver, and we need to screw this onto there. Probably going to be easier. And as you're holding it on, just turn the knob. Which way am I turning this? Anti-clockwise is what holds that on. So now the engraver's on. So looking at the back of the box, now we've got the USB ports. So I've got the power cable. So this is the slot where the power cable will go in. And then we've got some USB ports. But because I've got the rotating part at the bottom, I'm not going to be using that quite yet. So we've got the USB cables. And I think I need to plug this bit in, and then that will plug into one of the USB ports up here. But otherwise I won't be using my USB cables quite yet, so we'll get this attached and then we'll plug the machine in. So before you want to get started with this, what you need to do is you need to download the app from Laserpecker. So you can do that by going to the laserpecker.net website, or on the side of the box it did have a QR code which you can scan, and then it will take you to the App Store for your device. So I'm going to plug this in and then we're going to see if we can connect to the app. So the machine is now powered up and you can see there's a blue light flashing and you can hear the little fan going at the back. So I'm just going to open up the app. So it's Laserpecker, and I think we need to connect it. When I first set this up yesterday, so Laserpecker would like to use Bluetooth. It's connected. It's just connected already, just like that. So now we're just going to look at how to engrave. So I'm going to go on to the newbie guide and we're going to do a test piece. So you go to the newbie guide, it wants you to go to examples, it wants you to choose the picture, which is making you select the Laserpecker picture, and then it's saying please use the brown piece that came in the kit, which is that. Press next. Adjust the laser distance, so please keep the distance 110 millimeters from the target. So if we place that on, rookie error, I was like, why is it not moving up and down? I do need to connect one of the USBs from the base unit to the actual machine. So So you do actually have to register the app and everything, go through all the steps, follow the steps. We're going to do a preview. So put on the safety goggles. You have to put in your code. It's now transmitting the data. So this has just been done on the default settings. That took 30 seconds to just engrave that into the wood. And I think that's come out really cool. We're going to try doing our own design now. Well, I hope you've liked this quick video just to show you a foolproofs guide, unsponsored review of the Laserpecker. This was just doing it on the wood. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. There you go. I'm still to experiment with doing it on metal, so once I've mastered that, I will be back to show you that at another time. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.